Okay, friends, this is a case that I discussed yesterday, but recording इसकी पूरी नहीं हो पाई थी. And this is also, a case of it had come to me 2-3 दिन पहले ही अभी हमारे पास आया था ये. कल इसको हमने डिस्कस किया था, so I will not waste much time over it. I want to record it. That is why I am repeating it. So in fact, इसको मैं खाली पढ़ के आप लोग इसको देख चुके हैं. You already yesterday we have discussed it. So this is a case. You see the chart is in front of you. This is of a girl who was born at Howrah, 1987. That means she is already 87 means 13 and 21. Next month, May, she will be 34. इनकी भी अभी शादी नहीं हुई है. Where lies the problem? Now, is it a denial of marriage or is it a delayed marriage? Okay, 34, 35 tak we still have our doubts, but this is weighing more on the side of denial. Okay, chart is in front of you, significator tables are in front of you. अब मैं इसको पढ़ता हूँ. Okay, देखिए. The girl is nearly 34 and remains unmarried. You just keep following. आप देखिएगा. Seventh cuspal sublord is Sun. As you can see from here, seventh cuspal sublord is Sun. In fact, if you see the sublord, it is Sun, and पहले ही नोट कर लीजिए the sixth Rashi Lord, Star Lord, and the sublord is also Sun. Okay, Sun is untenanted. Okay, Sun is untenanted. It is the seventh cuspal sublord as well as the sixth cuspal sublord. It is untenanted, so it signifies both very strongly. At the stellar level, it signifies sixth very strongly, as you can see from here, from the significator table, and also seventh. So both, it could give marriage, it may not give marriage. So now we have to decide. This is a dilemma that an astrologer could be faced with. So now I have written that seventh cuspal sublord is Sun. Sun is also the star lord and Rashi lord of the sixth cusp and is untenanted, which means it is signifying sixth cusp very strongly. At the stellar level, Sun signifies both sixth and seventh. But as it is untenanted, cuspal sublord of the sixth, signification of sixth will be considered to be more powerful than its stellar level signification of seventh. The sublord of Sun is Jupiter. Okay, now what is happening is, Sun is the untenanted sublord of the sixth house as well as the seventh house. So, and it is the stellar level significator also of the sixth house as well as the seventh house. In such cases, हम क्या करते हैं? What do we do then? The decision, the ultimate, otherwise also you see the ultimate decision lies with the sublord. So now the sublord of Sun is Jupiter, signifying first, 12th, 9th, and 10th very strongly, as it is untenanted. Okay? Jupiter, the sublord of Sun, is signifying first, 12th, 9th, and 10th very strongly, as it is untenanted. All are marriage negators. Ninth is neutral. There is no support for marriage. In such cases, with remedial measures, marriage may materialize, but seventh sublord Sun is in the star of Venus. But seventh sublord Sun is in the star of Venus, which is placed in the dual Rashi Pisces. ये आगे की बात है, but still हमने highlight कर दिया. Indicating an unsuccessful marriage, if marriage at all happens. Okay, even the sublord of Sun, Jupiter, is sitting in the dual Rashi Pisces. There appears to be no saving grace. The Dasa of Venus is running and will run up to 2027. Venus too is not very supportive of marriage, nor is it sublord the Moon. ये आप लोग इसको देख लीजिएगा. Venus हमने नहीं discuss किया है because it is not very supportive of marriage. Now it's very simple for you to to see Venus and आप इसको डिसाइफर कर लीजिएगा वीनस के सिग्निफिकेशंस को, जिसकी अभी महादशा चल रही है. सो इट मे बी अ डिनायल ऑफ मैरिज, it may be a late marriage. Silver lining is sun is signifying the seventh house. That is the silver lining. But at the same time, it is a very strong significator of the sixth house, the denying house, as it is the untenanted sublord. So here, that is why she has not been married at all. And the parents told me that they have been trying for a marriage since she was 25. 25 साल की उम्र से 9 साल हो गया. दे हैव बीन ट्राइंग. शादियां तय होती हैं, ऑलमोस्ट बात हो जाती है, फिर लास्ट मिनट में शादी कट जाती है. दैट इज व्हाट हैज बीन हैपनिंग. Efforts are still on. I have suggested remedial measures. In fact, remedial measures में, since he is a very close friend of mine, her father, so I have been personally involved in helping them out with remedial measures. But let's see what happens. So this is another case, डिनाइल या डिले ऑफ मैरिज. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली तो हमें लगता है कि शायद कहीं डिनाइल है. अगर रेमेडियल मेजर्स काम कर गए, कर जाना चाहिए, वी डोंट नो, तो शायद हो जाएगी शादी. अदरवाइज तो ये है, देखिए, 7th कस्पल सबलॉर्ड का डिनाइल डिले ऑफ मैरिज, 7th कस्पल सबलॉर्ड. नाउ आई यू सीन सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स, हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, सो मेनी एग्जांपल्स. तो हियर अगेन दिस इज अनदर. इसको मैं, इसमें कोई सवाल है तो पूछिए. Any questions you have?
सर न्यूट्रल हाउसेज पर हमें ध्यान नहीं देना. न्यूट्रल मीन्स नाइदर पॉजिटिव नॉर नेगेटिव.
न्यूट्रल हाउसेज में आप क्या करेंगे ध्यान देके? 5th हाउस अगर कहीं प्ले में आ रहा है और कहीं शादी वादी की बात, देखिए ऐसा है ना, इसके देखिए 5th हाउस जो है ना, 5th हाउस इनका क्या अभी हमने देखा था, 5th हाउस का भी कनेक्शन कहीं नहीं मिल रहा है, हमने ध्यान नहीं दिया है. देखिए सन 2nd हाउस को भी सन सिग्निफाई करता है, लेकिन सी लेवल में सिग्निफाई कर रहा है सन. तो एक्चुअली इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग सिग्निफिकेशंस के सामने फिर सी लेवल का सिग्निफिकेशन हेल्प नहीं करता है. न्यूट्रल हाउसेस काम नहीं करते हैं. न्यूट्रल हाउसेस जो है ना, 4th है, 9th है, वो दे डोंट हेल्प मच. दे डोंट हेल्प मच इन मैरिज. 4th बल्कि करेगा, अगर इनका अगर 4th करे, 5th करता है, लव मैरिज अगर होगी. लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम इनके देखिए, नहीं इनके नहीं, सॉरी, एट द सेम टाइम अगर लेकिन 4th आता है और 5th आता है, तो वो फिर लव मैरिज को भी तोड़ देता है. दैट इज अनदर प्रॉब्लम. सो न्यूट्रल हाउसेस रियली डोंट हेल्प आउट. So it is actually, you see so many cases, and these are all live and actual cases जो हमारे पास हैं. ये तो अभी 3 दिन पहले हमारा आया है हमारे पास. This case has come to me.
जी.
So इसमें there's no light at the end of the tunnel, so to say. हो सकता है हो जाए, क्योंकि सन 7th को भी कर रहा है. That may be the only saving grace. So I'll finish the issue here. It appears to be a case of denial of marriage.